Here's how to block spam calls on WhatsApp. Now open up the WhatsApp app. You can see I'm on an iPhone, but you can do the same steps on Android. It works a little bit different to get to your settings. Now let's tap on settings here at the bottom right if you're on an iPhone. However, if you're on an Android, you'll tap on those three dots at the top left and then get to your settings. Now from here, we have a few different options. The first one is that we can set the ability to have calls silenced from unknown callers. This will prevent your phone from ringing whenever you get a call from an unknown caller. You'll still see it in the calls section, but it won't ring. So we can turn this on, but that's not the only thing we can do. I would also highly recommend turning off the last seen and online instead of everyone. Switch it to contacts or nobody. This will prevent anyone from being able to see when you're online. I would also recommend switching this to nobody for your profile photo or just contacts. And then importantly is groups. It says who can add me to groups. If this is set to everybody, then anyone can add you to a group and then randomly call you from that group. So I would prevent random people from being able to add you. However, there's one other thing that we can do after we've set all of these to be restricted. We're going to tap on the chats option at the bottom right here, and then just go to a specific conversation. Let's say you're getting spam calls from this person. All you need to do is go through the process of blocking their account. You can see when you block them, they won't be able to send you messages or to call you. So you can either block somebody from a group chat or from an individual chat if they keep bothering you.